Welcome to Ride Review. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Honda Rebel 500 ABS SE, the premium twist on Honda's globally popular midsize cruiser, now redefined with added comfort, upgraded styling, and refined performance. What's special about the SE? The Rebel 500 ABS SE elevates the base model with select enhancements. Priced at $6,999 MSRP, plus $600 destination, a slight premium over the standard version. Features the same rugged 471 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, delivering smooth and accessible performance. Retains standout comfort with a modest seat height of 27.2 in. 690 millimeters, and a manageable 419 pounds, 191 kilograms, curb weight. Core specs recap. Engine, 471 cubic centimeters DOHC parallel twin, PGM-FI, slipper clutch, 6-speed. Chassis and suspension, tubular steel frame, 41 millimeters fork, 5.5 travel, dual rear Showa shocks, 3.7 travel. Brakes, 296 mm front/240 mm rear discs with ABS standard. Tires, 130/9016 front and 150/8016 rear. These are carried over from the standard Rebel, making the SE a sleeker but familiar choice. What the SE brings to the table. Premium paint, available in pearl blue, exclusive to the SE variant in international markets. Standard ABS, slipper clutch, and a transferable 1-year warranty, perfectly tuned for peace of mind. The SE captures the same bobber appeal with minimal bodywork, wide handlebars, and retro styling, enhanced by the pearl blue finish. Community perspective. In online rider communities, many seasoned Rebel owners emphasize the value of ABS. The cost difference is so small that I wouldn't pass it up, it could save your life. Commenting on choosing the ABS-equipped Rebel. These sentiments highlight how small upgrades, like ABS and special paint, add significant appeal without sacrificing the classic Rebel charm. Pros and considerations. White heavy checkmark pros. Adds exclusive aesthetics with the pearl blue SE color. Retains the easy-to-ride engine, ideal weight, and accessible seat height. Includes ABS and slipper clutch, boosting safety and usability. 1-year transferable warranty enhances ownership value. Warning considerations. No power/performance upgrade over the standard model. Availability in India is still limited to select metros through big-wing showrooms. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Rebel 500 ABS SE is the refined choice for riders wanting the full Rebel experience. Comfort, character, and conservative torque delivery, elevated by safety and aesthetic upgrades. Ride review verdict. All the Rebel soul, now in premium blue and ABS ready for safer, smoother cruising. Would you like suggestions for a viral YouTube title plus hashtags or even a short-form preview for platforms like TikTok or Instagram? Let me know, happy to help.